Hello. What up? Yeah. It's my new hair. Here. Let me go in here and get a better look at it. It's way better. But it looks fabulous. See? You can see it better. Okay, we're looking at it. See? It's so brown. It's so weird having brown hair. See, there's still blonde parts in it, like right there. And like the part that was like blue or whatever is this gray color. I know. Oh. Yeah, and Lady cut my hair too short. I didn't want her to cut it this short, but she did. I was really mad. Stupid lady. Didn't know how to cut hair. Okay. My aunt and uncle are upstairs. So whenever I show you the picture, it'll be fast. And then I won't talk, but then I'll go to my room or downstairs or something, and then I'll talk and explain it to you. Yeah. Here we go. And I'm gonna get some to drink, because I'm thirsty. Okay. I'll explain it here, but I'm gonna make something to drink. So I'll try to make it, I guess. But if it gets Hey Aunt Joyce.
Yeah.
Are you gonna refill the hummingbird feeders tonight, or are you just gonna wait?
I think it's too late tonight.
Okay. Are you just gonna do it in the morning?
Yeah, first thing.
Okay, well, if you wake me up, I'll help you, okay?
Okay.
Sorry about that. Move all this away. Okay. The picture of all the guys that I showed you. Excuse me. The picture of all the guys that I showed you, and the one that I pointed at. You can probably recognize him. Sorry. That was Dad. A long time ago. He had the whole hippie thing and side bang hair thing going on. I thought it was pretty funny. And kitchen, you've already seen it. The picture I showed you of the lady, I think she looks like Aunt Phyllis. And the earrings in the picture that she's wearing are the earrings I showed you. She had those pictures in 1867 or 97, something like that. And she had them for her 16th birthday as a wedding present. So those are fairly old, and those earrings are the original ones. Very old. Okay, and then the cabinet things I showed you with all the stuff on it, those are all the things that my aunt gets from all places that she goes to. Yeah. And I kind of had to do the hummingbird thing so that it didn't seem awkward. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. Probably gonna be broken into 2 parts, but I'm gonna make one. And tomorrow after dinner, I'm gonna go on a walk. And I'm gonna take you with me, kind of, in a way. No, not really, but anyways. Okay, it's gonna be broken into parts, and yeah. Because I can't upload the whole entire video because it'll be too long. I have a pimple right there. It looks like I have a pierce, but I don't. Don't worry. I popped it. Now it's red. Anyways, that's gross. I shouldn't have said that. Yeah. But yeah, I'll talk to you later. I'm coming home on Saturday. My nails are purple, just so you know. That's zebra. Yeah, they're not black. They're black, but they're purple.